गुड इवनिंग गुड इवनिंग गुड इवनिंग नेगी सोल्जर्स, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हैं नेगी सोल्जर्स? बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा, हाउ आर यू? एम आई ऑडिबल, विजिबल प्रॉपरली? क्या आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं, देख पा रहे हैं? फटाफट से मैसेज कर दीजिए रे बाबा, टाइप इन चैट बॉक्स हाउ आर यू. सो माय फ्रेंड्स, वी आर डिस्कसिंग फुल कोर्स ऑन बेसिक thermodynamics. We are discussing module 2 and today we are going to talk about what? Energy of a system. So are you ready? Bolo re baba, bolo re baba, are you ready? Yes, 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 yes. Come on everyone, type in chat box. My friend, those who are coming first time to our YouTube channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Devendra Singh Negi. I'm Mechanical Head Unacademy Brands, GATE All India Rank 1 2019, 20 Engineering Census Paper, All India Rank 1 Banknote Paper Mill. I completed my Masters from IIT Bombay. I was the topper of my batch. I'm teaching for GATE and ASC since 8+ years. Till now I have mentored more than 50,000 students in online, offline and seminar mode. The most important thing why I'm standing in front of you, because of my passion for teaching. I really enjoy my Jhamajam teaching and I hope you are also enjoying. Now my friend, this is my profile on Unacademy platform. I am the rank 7th educator in GATE and ESC category, rank 3rd mechanical educator, having the most highest dedicated educator in GATE and ESC category. Okay. Fine. Okay. Now my friends, yes. Now listen carefully. My friends, maybe some of you are not aware of this. I'm taking free classes on YouTube as well as on Unacademy platform, Unacademy learning app. There is a particular segment called Unacademy free special classes where you can watch me absolutely free. You need not to pay anything. So immediately you can install Unacademy learning app. The moment you are installing Unacademy learning app, you will be getting two benefits. You will be unlocking your free plan. The moment I'm saying you will be unlocking your free plans means you will be unlocking your free special classes, you will be unlocking your free quizzes, you will be unlocking your free test series. Yes, test series is also free. At the same time, you will be able to attempt Unacademy GATE Combat absolutely free. Yes, my friends. Now, the moment you are unlocking your free plans, you need to put the invite code. And for Negi soldiers, there is only one invite code. Negi10. Yes, my friend, there is only one invite code, Negi10. जैसे ही आपको पूछता Unacademy Learning App, क्या है आपका इनवाइट कोड? बोल दो रे बाबा, हमारा इनवाइट कोड तो एक ही है, Negi10. नाउ यू विल बी टेलिंग मी, सर आपने एक बेनिफिट तो बता दिया, व्हाट इज द सेकंड बेनिफिट? अरे नेगी सोल्जर्स को सेकंड बेनिफिट है, दे कैन डायरेक्टली सेंड मी द मैसेज. यस, यू कैन डायरेक्टली सेंड मी द मैसेज. बेटा, इफ यू आर हैविंग एनी डाउट रिलेटेड टू योर प्रिपरेशन, अगर आपको अपने प्रिपरेशन रिलेटेड कहीं पर भी कोई डाउट है, कौन सी बुक्स को फॉलो करना है, कौन से रेफरेंसेस को फॉलो करना है, किस PYQ की बुक को फॉलो करना है, नोट्स कैसे बनाने हैं, शॉर्ट नोट्स कैसे बनाने हैं, each and everything I'm going to tell you. I'm just one message away. Unacademy learning app is bridging the gap between Negi sir and Negi soldiers. तो आप मुझे तुरंत मैसेज कर देंगे, मैं आपको रिप्लाई करने वाला हूं. In fact, if you are planning to join Unacademy Plus using the referral code Negi10, the moment you are using referral code Negi10, you will be messaging me on Unacademy learning app. I will be adding you in all the doubt solving groups. Good evening. आ जाओ रे बाबा. Now my friends, one very important information. From 11th of January, I started Evolve for GATE 2022 Batch B, Ascend for GATE 2023 Batch B. Now, if you are willing to join the new batch and Negi soldiers haven't joined the old batch till now, beta, we are starting the new batch. Yes. From the next Monday, exactly after 7 days, from the 25th of January 2021, we are starting the Evolve for GATE 2022 Batch C, Ascend for GATE 2023 Batch C. Welcome to Negistan. Use the referral code Negi10 and you will be joining these batches. I will be nurturing you personally. I will be mentoring you personally. I will be guiding you personally. So don't miss. Your Negi sir is going to teach all his subjects in this batch C. So don't wait, immediately book your subscription, immediately take the subscription using the referral code NEGI10 NEGI10 NEGI10. Yes, 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 yes. आज जाओ रे बाबा, आज जाओ रे बाबा, आज जाओ रे बाबा. Welcome to Negistan, my friends. If you are looking, so many students are asking, sir, where to get your class PDFs. तो बेटा ये है टेलीग्राम चैनल. This is the telegram channel NEGI10. NEGI10 is the telegram channel which is trusted by more than 6,500 students. Yes, there are more than 6,500 students in this personal telegram channel. You can join this telegram channel to get the PDFs of my lectures, to get the reference books. जो भी आपको चाहिए सब कुछ यहाँ मिलने वाला है. In fact, if you want to get the links of my classes, you will be getting here. In case you are not able to search my telegram channel, beta ये है link. This is the link. Just type this link in your address bar. You will be able to reach this telegram channel. Another thing, my friends, as I told you, I am taking the free special classes on Unacademy platform, Unacademy learning app. In case you want the notification, if you want Unacademy to intimate you my class is about to start, then do one thing, search my profile on Unacademy platform, type my name Devendra Singh Negi. The moment you are typing my name, my profile will come. The moment my profile comes, follow me, you will be getting the notification of my all the classes on Unacademy free special platform. If you are not able to search my profile, this is the link. Type this link in your address bar, you will be able to reach my profile. Oh my god, you will get better Cypher 1, you will get. Enter the invite code to unlock your people. Ara, what is the invite code re baba? Come on Negi soldiers, what is the invite code? अरे नेगी सर के लिए और नेगी सोल्जर्स के लिए there is only one invite code. प्रणाम, आज जाओ रे बाबा. There is only one invite code. What is that? NEGI10. Yes. There is only one invite code for Negi sir and Negi soldiers. That is NEGI10. Yes. Are you ready? Shall we start the class? Yes. Come on everyone. So my friends, till now I have discussed constant volume process, that is isochoric process, constant pressure process, that is isobaric process, constant temperature process, that is isothermal process, adiabatic, and what? Polytropic process. So these 5 things we have discussed. Let us see one by one. एक एक करके देखते हैं. What is the aim? I will try to represent all the processes on the same PV diagram. I will be telling you how to represent. You need not to worry बेटा, आपको चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है. देखना बेटा, I will be comparing all the processes with this. PV power K is equal to constant. I will be finding this K for all the processes one by one, and then I will be representing all the processes on the same PV diagram. So let us see one by one beta. Observe here. First process which we discussed was isochoric process. Yes, we discussed isochoric process. Anyone in the class, for isochoric process, what are we having beta? Can I say for isochoric process, volume is constant? Can I say volume is constant? Yes, of course I can say volume is constant. For any substance, any gas, no problem. For any substance, yes, you are absolutely correct beta. After isochoric process, what we discussed beta? फटाफट से बोलेंगे. Come on everyone, type in chat box. After isochoric process, what we discussed? I want everyone to type in chat box. बोलो रे बाबा. After isochoric process, what we discussed? We discussed isobaric process. Anyone in the class? For isobaric process, what are we having? बोलो रे बाबा फटाफट से। आइसोबारिक प्रोसेस के लिए अपने पास क्या है? आई वांट एवरीवन टू टाइप इन चैट बॉक्स ड्यूरिंग आइसोबारिक प्रोसेस। यस यस यस, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड। ये हुई ना बात बेटा, ये हुई ना बात। प्रेशर इज कांस्टेंट, प्रेशर इज कांस्टेंट। यस, एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट, प्रेशर इज कांस्टेंट। ये हुई ना बात नेगी सोल्जर्स। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, वेरी हैप्पी। कम ऑन एवरीवन, जाग जाओ रे बाबा, जाग जाओ रे बाबा। any substance, any substance, any substance। चलो 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 चलो, और क्या है, और क्या है? After isobaric we discuss what? Oh my god, oh my god, after isobaric process what we discussed? Isothermal process, isothermal process। anyone in the class beta, for isothermal process what are we having? For isothermal process what are we having? 100% for isothermal process I am having what beta? Temperature is a constant, temperature is a constant। yes, absolutely correct, absolutely correct। temperature is constant for any substance, for any substance, for any substance। yes, you are absolutely correct। now any intelligent student of the class, any intelligent student of the class can tell me, do I have any relation for ideal gas? For ideal gas कुछ PV के टर्म्स में है? Is there any relation in terms of PV for ideal gas? फटाफट से बताएंगे रे पापा। Yes 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 yes, Lakshmi very good बेटा। सौम्या excellent, absolutely correct। Can you tell me if I am having an ideal gas which is undergoing isothermal process, what is the relation I am having बेटा? yes, PV is equal to constant। क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है। yes, excellent। ये हुई ना बात, वेरी गुड बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा। आइडियल गैस, आइडियल गैस एक्सीलेंट है रे बाबा, एक्सीलेंट है रे बाबा। नाउ लिसन केयरफुली। आफ्टर दिस व्हाट वी डिस्कस्ड, after this what we discussed? Adiabatic process, adiabatic process। yes 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 yes, we discussed adiabatic process। excellent excellent Negi soldiers, come on everyone। during adiabatic process what happens beta? heat interaction is zero, heat interaction is zero for any substance। heat interaction is zero for any substance। anyone in the class, what I'm going to have for perfect gas? Any intelligent student of the class can tell me what I'm going to have for perfect gas? perfect gas के लिए क्या होता है रे बाबा? बोल दो रे बाबा, बोल दो रे बाबा। come on everyone, what will happen for perfect gas? PV power gamma is equal to what? PV power gamma is equal to what? बोलो रे बाबा। excellent excellent excellent, yes, absolutely correct। PV power gamma is equal to constant, and this is for perfect gas, this is for perfect gas। beta what is perfect gas? any intelligent student of the class can tell me what is perfect gas re baba? what is perfect gas re baba? perfect gas is an ideal gas having constant specific heats। that means Cp by Cv is constant, that means gamma is constant। ये हुई ना बात, excellent बेटा, excellent। and then we have discussed, बोलो रे बाबा, last में क्या discuss किया था? in the last class we have discussed what? in the last class we have discussed polytropic process, polytropic process, polytropic process, polytropic process। ये हुई ना बात। come on everyone, come on Negi soldiers। for polytropic process what is the relation we are having beta? what is the relation we are having? bolo re baba। PV power n is equal to constant for any gas, any substance, whatever you want to write। chalo, now listen carefully, listen carefully। I'm going to compare the equation of all these processes with the PV power K is equal to constant, and I would like to see what is the value of this K, what is the value of this K for various processes. So, are you ready? Yes, 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 yes. चलो कंपेयर करते हैं बेटा, ध्यान से देखना. If I compare with PV power K is equal to constant, what are we going to get here? K is equal to N. K is equal to N. This is what we are getting, beta. This is what we are getting here. In case I'm starting from the back, for polytropic process, this K is coming equal to N. Yes, 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 yes. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Now, for adiabatic process undergone by perfect gas, what are we going to get? Compare करो. किससे compare कर रहे हैं हम? We are comparing with what? PV power K is equal to constant. We are comparing with what? PV power K is equal to constant. So what is the value of K I am getting here, beta? What is the value of K I am getting here? K is equal to gamma. K is equal to gamma. Excellent है रे बाबा. Very good, very good, very good. चलो ठीक है. Let us see here for isothermal process. Let us see here for isothermal process. If I compare PV power K is equal to constant. So what is the value of K I am getting here, beta? K is equal to what? फटाफट से बताओ. अरे this can be written as what? PV power 1 is equal to constant ना. So what is K here? K is 1. K is 1. I hope everyone is clear till here. I hope everyone is clear till here. फटाफट से कंफर्म करेंगे बेटा. Are you clear till here? Are you clear till here? Excellent है. Yes, yes, yes. For isobaric process, what will happen? Any intelligent student of the class can tell me for isobaric process what will happen? ध्यान से देख लो बेटा. This can be written as what? This can be written as P V power 0 is equal to constant. P V power 0 is equal to constant. बोलो बेटा. This is one of the gate question for isobaric process. K is equal to what? So can you tell me for isobaric process? अरे बोलो रे बाबा नेगी soldiers. K is equal to what? K is equal to what? 0. K is equal to what? 0. Yes, 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 yes. Excellent, excellent, excellent. यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं? Excellent बेटा. नीतीश वेरी गुड बेटा. अनुज वेरी गुड. अनुष्का वेरी गुड. ये हुई ना बात, ये हुई ना बात. Now the last thing we are going to discuss, isochoric process. क्या होगा बेटा isochoric process के लिए? जरा ध्यान से सोचना और बताना. Think carefully and tell me. Think carefully and tell me. देखो ध्यान से. Can I write in this way? P power 0 V is equal to constant. Yes, we can write in this way. We need to compare with what? We need to compare with what? PV power K is equal to constant. If I divide the power of each and every term by K, then what I am going to get here? P power 1 by K, V power 1, K by K will be 1. Array, I am dividing each power by K. So here P power 1. So P power 1 by K, V power 1, that means V only, is equal to constant power 1 by K will be constant only na. Now beta, are you able to understand? अगर आप compare करेंगे, look at here beta. If you are comparing this equation number A with this equation number B. So can I say from equation A and equation B. What I'm getting, beta? Can I say 1 by k is 0? That means what? K is equal to what, beta? Infinite. K is equal to infinite. Are you clear till here? Now listen carefully. देखो, try to understand. For isochoric process, it is little difficult. కొంచెం difficult. Little difficult. थोड़ा सा difficult है. That's what I have done is I started from the back side. Polytropic, then adiabatic, then isothermal, then isobaric. At the end we came to isochoric. पहले आपको ये दिखा देता तो आप थोड़ा सा डर जाते. So it is all about playing with your emotions, playing with your mindset. Okay? So I hope everyone is able to understand. यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं बेटा? क्लियर हैं यहां तक? चलो 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 चलो, नेगी सोल्जर्स आर क्लियर टिल हियर. अब बनाएंगे पीवी डायग्राम. अब बनाएंगे बेहतरीन पीवी डायग्राम. सुनना आप ध्यान से बेटा. पीवी डायग्राम फॉर एक्सपेंशन. लुक एट हियर बेटा. देखो, as far as isochoric is concerned, for isochoric there is nothing called expansor or compression. This is your isochoric. This is your isochoric बेटा. ये आपका isochoric हो गया, where k is infinite. हाँ, अरे if I am having isochoric process means it is constant volume process. For constant volume process you don't have any term like expansion or compression because volume is constant. Now let us come to isobaric. Isobaric expansion. How the isobaric expansion will look like, beta? How the isobaric expansion will look like? I hope you are able to understand. Isobaric expansion will be something like this. Will be something like this. Pressure is equal to constant and k was 1. Now isothermal expansion undergone by an ideal gas. Rectangular hyperbola. PV is equal to constant. देखो कोई बोल नहीं रहा. No one is saying. No one is saying रे बाबा. I was checking this only. No one is saying. Here k will be how much? No. I'm waiting for you people to tell me. Sir, here k will be 0. Tell me. For isothermal process, for isothermal expansion, what will be k? 1. Now. Reversible adiabatic, internally reversible adiabatic process undergone by a perfect gas. PV power gamma is equal to constant. And here k is how much beta? Now look at here. Polytropic process. PV power n is equal to constant. And of course here k is equal to n, and mind you n is greater than 1 but less than gamma in this case. यहां तक आप लोग क्लियर है बेटा? Are you clear till here? Type in chat box. Type in chat box. Are you clear till here? Very good, very good, very good. यहां तक आप लोग क्लियर है बेटा? Are you clear till here? Are you clear till here? Now I want you people to observe one thing. देखो ध्यान से. If I go, this is clockwise or anti-clockwise? This is clockwise. Can you observe? If I am going clockwise, what is happening to k value beta? If I'm going clockwise, what is happening to k value here? 0, 1, n, gamma, infinite. What is happening to k value? What is happening to k value? Yes, yes beta Sankit, we can say. चलो यहां तक बोलो. On going clockwise, what is happening? On going clockwise, what is happening to k value? K increases. So लिख रहा हूं यहां पर बेटा एक बढ़िया चीज आपके लिए. On going clockwise, k value increases. I hope everyone is clear with this beta. ठीक है. Excellent. Are you clear till here? Chalo beta, we have represented all the processes on the same PV diagram for expansion. Can I represent for compression also? Can I represent for compression also? Can I represent for compression also? अब ध्यान से देखना बेटा. देखो this is for isochoric. This is for isochoric. Of course volume is constant and k is infinite. सेम कलर कॉम्बिनेशन मेंटेन रखते हैं ना. ओके ठीक है. सेम कलर कॉम्बिनेशन चलेगा. सेम कलर कॉम्बिनेशन मेंटेन रखते हैं रे बाबा. चलो देखो, volume is equal to constant, k is equal to infinite. Now look at here beta, isobaric compression. ऐसे दिखा देता हूं आपको. This is your isobaric compression beta. K is equal to 0. After this you are having isothermal compression. PV is equal to constant, K is equal to 1. Let me say adiabatic compression, K is equal to gamma. Some polytropic compression, PV power n is equal to constant, K is equal to n. Now the most important thing which I want you people to observe is, but if I am moving in clockwise direction, what is your observation? If I am moving in clockwise direction, what is happening beta? If I am moving in clockwise direction, what is happening? बोलो फटाफट से. What is happening to the value of K? What is happening to the value of K? Anyone in the class? If I am moving in clockwise direction, what is happening to the value of K? फटाफट से टाइप करो चैट बॉक्स मेरे बाबा. ongoing ongoing clockwise K value increases. K value is decreasing or increasing? See here beta, see here, I am going clockwise, that's why I am making with different inks, sky blue, pink, green, orange, I am going clockwise. सर क्लॉकवाइज क्या होता है सर? क्लॉक शैम्पू 9 9 12 3 6 अरे घड़ी नहीं देखी क्या रे बाबा? ये क्लॉकवाइज है ना, ये क्लॉकवाइज है ना रे बाबा. सो इफ आई एम गोइंग क्लॉकवाइज, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ के? 0 1 n gamma infinite. So k value is increasing na. Of course, n is in this diagram, n is between 1 and gamma. It can be anything, but in this diagram it is between 1 and gamma. Are you clear till here? बोलो रे बाबा, यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं? The most important thing is the सुन लो रे बाबा, the most important thing is whether you draw for expansion or compression. चाहे आप एक्सपेंशन के लिए बनाओ या कंप्रेशन के लिए बनाओ, ongoing clockwise K value increases. क्लियर है यहां तक? अरे हार्ट का सिंबल बना देंगे रे बाबा, हार्ट का सिंबल बना देंगे रे बाबा. कम ऑन एवरीवन, इफ यू आर क्लियर टिल हियर. बेटा अमित, आप मुझे कॉल कर लेना, आई विल गाइड यू बेटा. डोंट वरी बेटा, आई विल बी गाइडिंग यू. डोंट वरी अमित, आप मुझे कॉल कर लो, मैं आपको बताता हूं कैसे आपका स्टडी प्लान करना है. दैट इज माई रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. आई विल बी टेलिंग यू बेटा. Already so many students, so many college going students are under my guidance. आपको कोई चिंता ही नहीं करनी है. आप मुझे एक बार व्हाट्सएप कर दो, कॉल कर दो, या फिर अनअकैडमी लर्निंग ऐप पर मैसेज कर दो. आई विल बी गाइडिंग यू हाउ टू मैनेज अनअकैडमी प्लस विद कॉलेज. नो, इट इज जस्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन बेटा नवीन, इट इज जस्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन, इट इज जस्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन. ये हुई ना बात. चलो ना, now read the next heading, read the next heading, read the next heading, read the next heading. बेटा मैकेनिकल लर्नर ऑलरेडी आई हैव इंडिविजुअली, मैंने ये सारे कर्व्स बनाए हुए बेटा, आप एक बार वहां देख लेना. ऑलरेडी आई हैव ड्रॉन ऑल दिस कर्व्स वन बाय वन, यू कैन ऑब्जर्व देयर, है ना, आप वहां देख लेना. ऑलरेडी मैंने आइसोथर्मल, एडियाबैटिक सबके लिए अलग से बनवाए. आई हैव टेकन 3 क्लासेस ऑन दीज थिंग्स. यू कैन सी एनर्जी ऑफ ए सिस्टम. अब ध्यान से देखना बेटा, लिसन केयरफुली. Energy of a system is divided into two parts. Energy of a system is divided into two parts. Is divided into two parts. One is macroscopic energy. One part is macroscopic energy. Another part is microscopic energy. Microscopic energy. Now, what is the macroscopic energy? Macroscopic energy is the energy which is associated with complete system. Microscopic energy is the energy which is associated with individual molecules. ध्यान से सुनना बेटा. Look at here. Let me say I am having a container. Let me say I am having a container. मेरे पास कोई container है. Let's suppose I am having some container. That container is having some gas molecules. And let me say these gas molecules is my system. Let me say I am having a container. In this container I am having some gas molecules, and let me say these gas molecules is my system. Whatever the energy is associated with this whole container gas, that is my macroscopic energy. Now, whatever the energy is associated with individual molecules of the gas, that is basically the microscopic energy. I hope everyone is clear till here. I hope everyone is clear till here. बेटा यहां तक कंफर्म कर दो, यहां तक कंफर्म कर दो. आप लोग क्लियर हो क्या? आप लोग यहां तक क्लियर हो बेटा? आर यू क्लियर टिल हियर? चलो, एक्सेलेंट, फैंटास्टिक. चलो, नाउ let us talk about macroscopic energy. But I am having the container of Pritam Pyare, I am having a container of gas. Let me say this container of the gas is moving with the velocity of 3 meters per second. I am having a container of gas. Let me say this container of the gas is moving with the velocity of 3 meters per second. Can I say my complete system is moving with the velocity of 3 meters per second? 100%. My Champu Pritam Pyare is stationary frame of reference. He is standing at some stationary frame of reference. He will be observing the complete system is moving with the velocity of 3 meters per second. 100% my complete system is having some kinetic energy. So look at here beta. Macroscopic energy can be kinetic energy. Will be representing by Ke. Now listen carefully. Now listen carefully. My container is at some height. My Champu Pritam Pyare is sitting at the floor. Then he will be observing, he will be feeling that this container, which is having the gas molecules, as a whole, the system is having some potential energy. The system is having some potential energy. Bolo re baba. Can I say? When container is at some height, can I say system is having some potential energy? Confirm karo fatafat se. 100%. System is having some potential energy. Will be representing by P. Of course, there can be some electrical field, magnetic field involved, because of which will be having electrical and magnetic energy also. But in our thermodynamics, generally we will not deal with this part. This will not come into the picture. For our thermodynamics, macroscopic energy means only two things: kinetic energy plus potential energy. Are you clear till here? Confirm कर देंगे बेटा. यहां तक आप लोग क्लियर हैं? बोलो रे बाबा. Are you clear till here? क्या आप यहां तक क्लियर हैं? Come on everyone, type in chat box. Then I will be moving forward. अगर आप यहां तक क्लियर हैं, आप लोग यहां तक क्लियर हैं बेटा? यहां तक क्लियर हैं? यहां तक क्लियर? Now listen carefully. Now listen carefully. This is about macroscopic energy. This is about macroscopic energy. Now let us go to the microscopic energy. Let us talk about microscopic energy. Microscopic energy. Now, now listen carefully. I'm having a container. The container is carrying some gas. There will be some molecules of the gas. Can I say gas molecules will be moving randomly? Tumak, 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 here and there, here and there. Are you getting this point? Container is having some gas. There will be molecules of the gas, and don't you think molecules of the gas will be having some random motion? And because of this random motion, can I say molecules will be having some translational energy? देख लो, I am having the molecule here. Tumak, 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 tumak. This molecule is reaching here. So it is having some kinetic energy, it is having some translational energy. Now listen carefully, listen carefully. I am having a molecule, polyatomic molecule, polyatomic molecule. It is quite possible in polyatomic molecule, molecules are rotating about some axis, molecules are rotating about some axis, and because of that molecules will be having rotational energy, rotational energy, rotational energy. देखो बेटा ध्यान से, let us suppose these are the two molecules, these are the two atoms of a polyatomic molecule. And they are rotating about some axis, they are rotating about some axis, and they are having some rotational energy. Of course, I am having a polyatomic molecule, the atoms of that molecule can rotate about some axis, will be having some rotational energy. I am having a polyatomic molecule, the atoms of that polyatomic molecule can vibrate about their center of mass, and because of that vibration I will be having some vibrational energy. Because of those vibrations I will be having some vibrational energy. Look at here, look at here. This is one atom of the polyatomic molecule, this is another atom of the polyatomic molecule, and they are vibrating about some common center of mass. Of course, I am having a polyatomic molecule, the atoms of the polyatomic molecule will be having some bonds with each other, and because of that I will be having some bond energy. Because of that I will be having some bond energy. Alright, I am having polyatomic molecule, the atoms of this polyatomic molecule are bonded to each other, I am having some bond energy. Now listen carefully, listen carefully, Negi soldiers, listen carefully. All these microscopic energies, all these microscopic energies put together is known as internal energy, is known as internal energy. इन सब एनर्जी के समेशन को ही इंटरनल एनर्जी बोला जाता है बेटा. All these microscopic energies put together is known as internal energy. Basically, internal energy is the microscopic energy which is associated with individual molecules. It is represented by capital U. Are you clear till here? Type in chat box. Are you clear till here? Bolo re baba, bolo re baba, bolo re baba. Come on everyone. Type in chat box if you are clear till here. Are maja 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 maja. अरे हार्ट का सिंबल बना देंगे रे पापा. Now listen carefully. That means what? That means what? ध्यान से देखना. Energy of system. Energy of system is equal to मैक्रोस्कोपिक एनर्जी प्लस माइक्रोस्कोपिक एनर्जी. So I can write capital E is equal to macroscopic energy बोले तो kinetic energy of the whole system plus potential energy of the whole system. This is coming on behalf of macroscopic. And on behalf of microscopic, internal energy will be coming into the picture. This is coming on behalf of microscopic. यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं? आर यू क्लियर टिल हियर बेटा? यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं? आई होप एवरीवन इज क्लियर टिल हियर. आई होप एवरीवन इज क्लियर टिल हियर. नाउ लिसन केयरफुली. ध्यान से देखना. कैन आई से energy of the system at state 1 is equal to kinetic energy of the system at state 1 plus potential energy of the system at state 1 plus internal energy of the system at state 1. Energy of the system at state 2 is equal to what? Kinetic energy of the system at state 2 plus potential energy of the system at state 2 plus internal energy of the system at state 2. Let me say this is equation number A, this is equation number B. So can I say equation B minus equation A, E2 minus E1, can I say delta E 1 to 2 is equal to KE2 minus KE1 delta KE 1 to 2 delta PE 1 to 2 plus delta small u 1 to 2. ये कंफर्म कर देंगे बेटा. फटाफट से कंफर्म कर दीजिए. आर यू क्लियर विद दिस? Are you clear with this? If you want to find the change in energy of the system from state 1 to 2, you will be finding the change in kinetic energy from state 1 to 2, you will be finding change in potential energy from state 1 to 2, you will be finding the change in internal energy from state 1 to 2, and you will be able to calculate the change in energy. Now listen carefully. Sir, feel नहीं आया. Sir, feel नहीं आया. सर फील नहीं आया. यू नो चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे इज द CR of his class. चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे इज द CR class representative of his section. He decided I will go for a picnic. Champu Pritam Pyare decided I will go for a picnic with his class. So he started collecting the money. Those who are interested for the picnic, give me 10 lakhs rupees each. Huh? Champu Pritam Pyare is taking the picnic, re baba. What do you think? He will ask for 1,000 rupees? No, re baba. 10 lakhs rupees each. Come for the picnic. Champu Pritam Pyare is very clever person, re baba. Where are we going? We'll be going to Mount Everest. People asked, his friends asked, his batchmate asked, his classmate asked, where are we going? He told, we'll be going to peak of the Mount Everest. So few people agreed with Champu Pritam Pyare, and चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे hired a beautiful bus. देख रहे हो? Are you able to see? चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे hired a beautiful bus. देखो, ड्राइवर, कंडक्टर, and these are the friends of चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे who agreed for the picnic. Mini bus. He booked the mini bus. So including Champu Pritam Pyare, total 15 people agreed. Total 15. Total 15 people agreed. Beautiful bus they booked and they started from the college. Yes. They started from the college. Start किया. Yes. And मान लो after some time bus is here and of course it is moving forward. It is moving forward. Now listen carefully, listen carefully, listen carefully. Let me say, all the people who are sitting or who are present inside bus are my system. All the people who are inside bus are the part of system. That means total 17 people are the part of system. Can I say total system is having some kinetic energy? Can I say total bus is moving upward with some kinetic energy? Can I say total system is having some kinetic energy? Yes or no? Yes or no? Can I say total system is having some kinetic energy? Bolo re baba. Or champo. Total bus is moving upward. Total bus is moving in this direction. So can I say total system is having some kinetic energy? Each and every person sitting inside the bus is moving with some velocity. That is the kinetic energy of the system. That is the macroscopic energy. That is the kinetic energy of the system. I hope everyone is clear with this. I hope everyone is clear with this. Don't you feel right now total bus is having some altitude. Total bus is having some altitude, some height from the zero level, let us suppose, from the datum level. Let me say this is the datum level, beta. Let me say this is the datum level. And because of that height, what will happen? Can I say total system, total bus, all the people who are sitting in the bus, they are having some potential energy. System is having some potential energy. System is having some potential energy. Can I say system is having some potential energy? Yes. But I have told you, na? I have told you. Energy of the system is equal to kinetic energy. The kinetic energy of the whole bus is that K. Potential energy of the whole bus is that P. Now what will be this U? I will be telling you. What will be this U? I will be telling you. Are the Champu Pritam Pyare. Champu Pritam Pyare is CR, is class representative. He is very excited. He is very excited. Our Champu Pritam Pyare. He is moving from one place to another place. He is moving from one place to another. Dampu, some cold drinks. Pampu, some chips. Champi, some biscuits. He is asking, अरे 10 लाख रुपए लिए तो justify तो करना है ना रे बाबा. For the picnic, he has taken 10 lakhs rupees from each and everyone. So he has to justify. Dampu, cold drink. Pampu, chips. Champi, some biscuits. Now, when the Champu Pritam Pyare is moving from one place to another place, What is the energy associated with the motion of Champu Pritam Pyare? Anyone in the class can tell me. Anyone in the class can tell me what is the energy associated with the motion of the Champu Pritam Pyare? Translational energy. Translational energy, because the molecule is moving from one place to another place. And you know, few students are very excited. Few students are very excited. Two of the Champu's friends are very excited. There will be a poll, na? There will be a poll, na? Inside the bus, there will be a poll, na? They are so excited that they are doing the pole dance. They are so excited. They are doing the pole dance. What is the energy associated with this? What is the energy associated with this? बोलो रे बाबा. Rotational energy. Rotational energy. Yes. Excellent. Now listen carefully. Look at here. There are two students. There are two friends who are sitting here. Now listen carefully. There are two friends who are sitting here. Now, one friend is carrying the iPhone and he is having very nice collection of the songs. Very nice collection of the songs. पुराने भी हैं, नए भी हैं. He is carrying the iPhone. You know ना, with iPhone AirPods only will work. बेचारा दूसरा वाला जो है उसके पास iPhone नहीं है. So इस वाले दोस्त ने क्या किया? This friend, what this friend has done? This friend has given one of the AirPod to other friend और एक अपने कान में लगा लिया. देखो ध्यान से. One friend is here. उसने इस वाले कान में लगाया. He kept one AirPod in this ear. Another friend, he kept AirPod in this ear. And both of them are songs lover. They are enjoying the songs. Oh, what a beautiful song. Chal chaiya 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 chal. They are enjoying like anything. They are vibrating about common center of mass. Thumak, 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 thumak. They are vibrating about common mass. What is the energy they are having? What is the energy they are having? What is the energy they are having? Vibrational energy. Vibrational energy. Yes. And now listen carefully. Listen carefully. Can you observe one more thing, beta? Can you observe one more thing? At the back, Dampu is sitting. Dampu is sitting with Dumpy Pyari. And they are having very strong bonding. At the back seat, Dampu and Dumpy Pyari. Dampu Pyare and Dumpy Pyari is sitting. And they are having very strong bonding. औरत तोड़ नहीं सकता रे बाबा कोई. You cannot break the bond. Such a beautiful bond they are having. अरे होता है ना, आप लोगों ने भी देखा होगा अपनी क्लास में देखा होगा ना. अरे ये तो कॉमन एग्जांपल है बाबा. What will be the energy? Bond energy. So now I hope you are able to understand. What is the meaning of internal energy. Internal energy is the energy which is associated with what? Internal energy is associated with what? Individual molecules. Champu Pritam Pyare is moving from one place to another place because of his motion. I am having translational energy. Champu Pritam Pyare's friends are rotating about some axis. They are having rotational energy. Champu Pritam Pyare's friends are vibrating about common center of mass. They are having vibrational energy, and of course at the back side I am having beautiful couple who is having bond energy. I hope each and everyone is clear till here. अरे बोलो रे बाबा, हार्ट का सिंबल हो जाएगा रे बाबा, हार्ट का सिंबल हो जाएगा रे बाबा, हार्ट का सिंबल बना देंगे सब लोग. If you are clear with the example, put the heart symbol रे बाबा. If you are clear with the example, हार्ट का सिंबल बना देंगे. Come on everyone, come on everyone. ये हुई ना बात. बेटा मैं सिखाऊंगा आपको थर्मोडायनामिक्स, मैं सिखाऊंगा आपको थर्मोडायनामिक्स. डोंट वरी, I will be teaching you thermodynamics. I will make sure each and every Negi soldier who is watching live right now will be the expert of thermodynamics. अरे झमाझम क्लियर है रे बाबा. Excellent, 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 beautiful. अरे मजा 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 मजा. ओहो, no fear of thermo when Negi sir is here. अरे सही सही सही. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Now listen carefully बेटा. वाह 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 वाह. नाउ लिसन केयरफुली बेटा, ध्यान से सुनना. डोंट यू थिंक इफ इंस्टेड ऑफ 15 स्टूडेंट्स इंक्लूडिंग चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे फ्रॉम हिज क्लास 60 स्टूडेंट्स आर एग्रीइंग फॉर द पिकनिक, लार्जर द नंबर ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, larger will be the size of the system, larger will be the number of molecules, larger will be the size of the system. Don't you think larger will be the translational energy. हो सकता है ज्यादा फ्रेंड्स इंटरेस्टेड होंगे. larger will be the rotational energy, larger will be the vibrational energy, larger will be the bond energy. So can I say internal energy depends on number of molecules? If I am having large number of molecules, I will be having higher internal energy. So can I say internal energy is depending on the size of the system? If larger the size of the system, higher will be the internal energy. Can I say internal energy is an extensive property? देखो, internal energy depends on the size of the system. Larger the size of the system, higher will be the number of molecules, and hence higher will be the internal energy. So I can conclude one thing: internal energy is an extensive property. When I started thermodynamics, when I was teaching you types of properties, I promised you I will give you the feel of this, that why internal energy is an extensive property. Now I have given you idea why are we saying internal energy is an extensive property. Because internal energy depends on the size of the system. Larger the size of the system, higher will be the number of molecules. Higher the number of molecules, larger will be the higher will be the internal energy. चलो अब एक चीज और सुनना बेटा, एक चीज और सुनना. स्टेशनरी सिस्टम, स्टेशनरी सिस्टम. What is the stationary system? Listen carefully. Let us suppose I am having a container. Let me say this container is carrying some gas. This container is carrying some gas. This container is carrying some gas. Let me say this gas is my system. Of course, I am having the closed system. Let me say right now gas is having state 1, and let me say this container is moving with the velocity of 3 meter per second, and let us suppose we are supplying the heat. We are supplying the heat to the gas, we are supplying the heat to the system. 100% state will change from 1 to 2. State of the system will change from state 1 to state 2. Now I am asking you one thing, what is the change in kinetic energy of the system? If the container earlier was moving with the velocity of 3 meter per second, still it is moving with the velocity of 3 meter per second. So the change in kinetic energy is 0. Change in kinetic energy is 0. What is the change in potential energy? If I ask you what is the change in potential energy, you will be saying, sir, change in potential energy is also 0. So my friends, please listen carefully what I am saying. Please listen carefully what I am saying. बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनना बेटा. Such closed system for whom change in kinetic energy and change in potential energy are 0 is known as stationary system. Is known as stationary system. Yes, of course, it is not compulsory the container will be moving with some velocity. It can be at some rest also. So still the change in kinetic energy will be 0. Change in potential energy will be. अरे एक box है. I am having a container which is here. It is kept stationary. It is not moving. I have supplied some heat. What is the change in kinetic energy? 0. अरे this box is not moving. What is the change in potential energy? 0. If the change in kinetic energy and potential energy is 0, I will be calling a stationary system. Or second example which I have given earlier. Let me say this box is moving with the velocity of 3 meter per second. This box is moving with the velocity of 3 meter per second. I am supplying the heat. The box will keep on moving with the velocity of 3 meter per second. What is the change in kinetic energy? 0. What is the change in potential energy? 0. Of course. Such system is known as a stationary system. Now one interesting thing about a stationary system, please observe carefully. देखो, change in energy is equal to change in kinetic energy plus change in potential energy plus change in internal energy. So can I say for a stationary system, change in kinetic energy is 0, change in kinetic energy is 0, change in potential energy is 0. So if I substitute there, what I am going to get? Change in energy is equal to change in internal energy. So please remember this point beta. For a stationary system, you can write change in energy is equal to change in internal energy. The condition for applying this is you should have a stationary system. What is a stationary system? It is the closed system having change in kinetic energy and potential energy is equal to 0. Are you clear till here? Are you clear till here? Bolo re baba, type in chat box. Are you clear till here? Fine. A stationary system is a closed system having no change in kinetic energy and potential energy during a process. For a stationary system, change in energy is equal to the change in internal energy. Are you clear till here? बोलो रे बाबा, यहां तक आप लोग क्लियर हैं? बोलो। अरे मजा 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 मजा, अरे झमाझम कॉन्सेप्ट है रे बाबा, झमाझम कॉन्सेप्ट है रे बाबा। क्लियर 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 क्लियर। चिराग वेरी गुड बेटा, नीतीश वेरी गुड, अनुष्का वेरी गुड। एक्सेलेंट एक्सेलेंट एक्सेलेंट। संकेत दिमाग लगा लो बेटा। लेट अस सपोज कंटेनर, initially container was moving with the velocity of 3 meter per second, and then during the process it started moving with the velocity of 5 meter per second. Initially the container was at some height of 5 meter. After the process it reached to height of 10 meter. So there will be change in kinetic energy and change in potential energy will be there. मैंने कब बोला kinetic energy is zero? Naveen Kumar, are you able to understand what I am saying? I am not saying kinetic energy is zero. Who is saying kinetic energy is zero? Who said kinetic energy is zero? Beta, are you able to understand the meaning of this delta? Are you able to understand the meaning of delta? Beta, delta is representing change in kinetic energy. Initially the bus was moving, initially the container was moving with the velocity of 3 meter per second. After the process, after supplying the heat, the process has taken place. Still the container is moving with the same velocity of 3 meter per second. So what is the change in kinetic energy? Change की बात हो रही है बेटा, चेंज की बात हो रही है। आई नेवर टोल्ड, बेटा ध्यान से सुना करो। देखो इतना क्या लिखा, देखो मैं इतनी मेहनत करता हूं आप लोगों के लिए, इतने बढ़िया से पीपीटी लेकर आता हूं, सब कुछ जो भी इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें उसको हाईलाइट करता हूं। देखो ना, प्लीज ऑब्जर्व, चेंज लिखा है ना, चेंज चेंज बेटा। A stationary system is the closed system having no change in kinetic energy and potential energy during a process. Yes sir, clear 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 clear। जरा अटेंडेंस लगा देंगे सब लोग, जो लोग प्रेजेंट हैं अपना नाम लिखकर प्रेजेंट लिखना। तो जरा देखो कितने लोग अटेंडेंस लगा रहे हैं। पुट योर नेम एंड राइट प्रेजेंट। जो लोग प्रेजेंट हैं अपना नाम और प्रेजेंट लिख लीजिए। नाम भी लिखो बेटा, नाम भी। कुछ लोग दूसरे नाम से आते हैं ना, तो नाम भी लिखो, नाम भी लिखो, नाम भी। हाँ, नीतीश प्रेजेंट, यस नीतीश प्रेजेंट है, संकित प्रेजेंट, चिराग प्रेजेंट है, घाट के अमी प्रेजेंट, ओके गुड, जयदीप इज प्रेजेंट, ओके। नवीन, पुट योर नेम आल्सो बेटा, पुट योर नेम आल्सो। जयेश प्रेजेंट, रितेश प्रेजेंट, अनुष्का प्रेजेंट, चिराग इज प्रेजेंट, विश्वजीत इज प्रेजेंट, Swapnil. You know why I'm asking you to tell me the names? Because in future whenever you want my help, I will be the first person to help you. You don't worry बेटा। अब ये नाम ना मेरे दिमाग में बैठ जाएंगे। These names will be absorbed in my brain, and whenever you are saying sir I am Abhijit, I need your help, I will be the first person to help you. Because I know these are the Negi soldiers who are putting the sincere efforts and are attending the classes on daily basis. Sai is present, Imran is present, okay, good 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 good. Sai is present, very good beta. Now I hope you are able to understand the concept till now beta. Now from tomorrow onwards or day after tomorrow onwards, we are going to start the module 3. We are going to start the module 3 from tomorrow or day after tomorrow onwards. We are going to start the module 3. I will be informing you. Now you have to tell each and every friend of yours, अपने सारे दोस्तों को बता दो कि मॉड्यूल 3 स्टार्ट हो रहा है। वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस वर्क इंट्रैक्शन इन मॉड्यूल 3, एंड इन केस यू हैव मिस्ड द फर्स्ट 2 मॉड्यूल्स, यू नीड नॉट टू वरी। मॉड्यूल 3 इज कंप्लीटली इंडिपेंडेंट बेटा। मॉड्यूल 3 इज कंप्लीटली इंडिपेंडेंट। मॉड्यूल 3 आपका कंप्लीटली इंडिपेंडेंट है एज कंपेयर टू मॉड्यूल 1 एंड मॉड्यूल 2। सो दोज हु हैवंट अटेंडेड मॉड्यूल 1 एंड 2, दे विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड, है ना, ठीक है। अच्छा, अम्बरीश भी है, गुड 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 गुड, ओके बेटा, नो प्रॉब्लम नो प्रॉब्लम, आई विल गाइड यू बेटा, ठीक है ठीक है। करवा दूंगा ना संकित, आप करवा दूंगा, अभी तो 2 मॉड्यूल हो गए। आप लोग इस चीज को बताओ और लोगों को। इट्स योर रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, इट्स द रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ नेगी सोल्जर्स। काइंडली शेयर द लिंक्स ऑफ द वीडियोस, लिंक शेयर कीजिए। अगर आप लोग आएंगे, लाइव आएंगे, क्लासेस देखेंगे, अच्छे नंबर ऑफ व्यूज होंगे, अच्छे नंबर ऑफ लाइक्स होंगे, देन डेफिनेटली व्हाई नॉट, आई विल बी टेकिंग द एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस फॉर यू पीपल, आई विल बी टेकिंग द एक्स्ट्रा पीपल। ओके, अच्छा चिराग, चलो बेटा। सो यू विल बी गेटिंग द पीडीएफ ऑफ द क्लास on this telegram channel beta. I will upload within half an hour. I will be uploading the PDF of the class on this telegram channel नेगी 10 है ना, यहां पर अपलोड कर दूंगा। Already more than 6,500 students are there on my personal telegram channel. You can join this for downloading the class notes. If you are not able to join the telegram channel beta, this is the link I am giving you. With the help of this link, just type this link in your address bar, you will be able to reach my telegram channel and you will be able to join. In case you want to get the notification of my free special classes, then you go to Unacademy Learning app, search my name and click on the follow button. The moment you are following me, you will be getting the notification of each and every class of mine. You will make sure already more than 8,000 students are following me. More than 8,000 students are following me. In case you want to join the legacy, you want to get the notification of my free special classes on Unacademy platform, you follow me. In case you are not able to search my profile, this is the link which you can type in your address bar to follow me. Beta, this is Gyan Ganga. I will be telling you whatever the free classes I have taken till now, we are arranging in a very systematic way in this particular Gyan Ganga. Every day we are giving 15 to 20 minutes to update the Gyan Ganga. It is having each and everything. Whatever the free classes I have taken on YouTube or free special classes on Unacademy platform, you will be able to reach all those things in a systematic way with the help of this Gyan Ganga. Whatever the applications of thermodynamics classes I have taken, maybe ice engine cycles, gas power cycle, maybe vapor power cycle, whatever the fluid mechanics, entire fluid mechanics is covered in detail. Whatever the heat transfer classes I have taken, radiation, convection, questions, whatever the previous gate XC papers are there, answer key, detailed solution, everything is there. Whatever the special sessions I have taken, so many students are asking me, sir, XC, what is XC and all, everything is there in this particular file. Whatever the thermodynamics classes I have taken, maybe entropy, maybe basic concepts, whatever the chapter I have taught, maybe on special classes or YouTube, everything is there. Let us suppose how to reach this Gyan Ganga beta. This is the link. Just type this link in your address bar, you will be able to reach Gyan Ganga. Let us suppose you are clicking on fluid mechanics. Let us see how the things will look like beta. In the first column, you will be getting the name of the chapter, number of lectures in that chapter, the topic covered in that particular lecture, video class link, PDF link, class notes link, everything will be there beta. In case you are liking the class, don't forget to hit the like button, Baba. Those who are watching the classes and not hitting the like button, enjoying the classes, not hitting the like button, I'm telling you, I will come in your dreams and I will kill you. Yes, after killing you, I will make sure you are hitting the like button. Yes, जब आप भूत बन जाओगे तब आपसे like करवाऊंगा, जिंदा में तो करोगे नहीं. So I will come in your dreams and I will kill you. I'm serious. Yes, I'm serious. Till now I have done 63 murders. Yes, 63 murders. Champu Pritam Pyare is also murdered by me. Latest, yes. Very good, Jadip. Okay, in case you are liking the class, hit the like button. Subscribe करो रे बाबा. चोरी चोरी चुपके चुपके आते हो, सब्सक्राइब किए बिना चले जाते हो. शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट करना है रे बाबा. बार बार बोल बोल के थक गया. कमेंट करो, कमेंट करो. कब और कैसे कमेंट करोगे रे बाबा? नाच नाच के आपको एग्जाम्पल दे दिया, और कैसे करोगे रे बाबा? कमेंट करो रे बाबा. Oh my God. Beta, as I told you, I'm taking the free classes not only on YouTube, but I'm taking on Unacademy Learning app also. On Unacademy Learning app, there is a segment called free special classes. You can watch free special classes without paying anything on Unacademy platform. The moment you are installing the Unacademy Learning app, you will be getting the two benefits. One of them is you will be able to unlock your free plans. The moment you are unlocking your free plans, you will be unlocking your free special classes, you will be unlocking your free quizzes, you will be unlocking your free test series, you will be unlocking your free Unacademy Combat for Gate. Of course, they will be asking you the invite code. Or what is the invite code, re baba? What is the invite code? What is the invite code? Bolo re baba, what is the invite code? For Negi soldiers, there is only one invite code. For Negi soldiers, there is only one invite code. Negi 10, Negi 10, Negi 10. Aaj jao re baba, aaj jao re baba. The second benefit is you will be able to send me direct message beta. अगर आपको कोई भी doubt है, if you are having any doubt regarding your preparation, regarding how to make the short notes, regarding how to prepare the notes, how to prepare for the exam, which books we should follow, everything I am going to tell you, you need not to worry beta. This is you know, Unacademy Learning app is like, it is the method, it is the Jaria, it is the connecting link which is connecting me to you people, Negi sir to Negi soldiers. Beta, this is one very important information. Already batch B I started from 11th of January, which is running very well, so many students are attending. Now we are starting batch C. In case you missed batch B, you can join this batch C. Sir, when are you starting this batch? Beta, from 25th of January, that is next Monday, we are starting this batch C, and I am telling you, all the Negi soldiers will be joining this batch C using the referral code Negi 10, Negi 10, Negi 10. आप Negi 10 यूज करेंगे और आ जाएंगे रे बाबा Unacademy Plus पे. The moment you are using Negi 10, you are making sure you will be getting the personal guidance of GATE All India Rank 1 2019 20 Engineering Sciences paper, which is a record in the history of the GATE examination. I am going to mentor you personally. I am going to nurture you personally. I will make sure your dreams are coming true. The only one thing which I need from you is your willpower. You have to work hard. You have to burn like anything. Remaining things I will take care. आपको DPP चाहिए, आपको practice book चाहिए, आपको notes चाहिए, आपको reference book चाहिए. Everything I will be giving you. Strategy I will be telling you. Guidance मैं आपको दूंगा, लेकिन मेहनत आपको करनी है बेटा. If you are ready to work hard and you want your dreams to come through, आ जाओ रे बाबा. Welcome to Negistan. I will make sure your dreams are coming true बेटा. The moment you are joining Unacademy Plus using the referral code Negi10, जैसे ही आप Negi10 लगाकर Unacademy Plus join करते हैं बेटा, you will be able to watch live classes. In fact, you are missing, if in case you are missing the live classes, you will be able to watch recorded videos. Don't worry about the practice questions. We'll be giving you the Delhi practice problems. You'll be getting the practice seats. Don't worry about your doubts. You will be having the doubt clearing sessions on Unacademy platform. In fact, every fourth class on Unacademy Plus is a doubt clearing session. The moment you are using Negi 10, I will be adding you in all the doubt solving groups where me and my team members are present. तो आपको उसकी चिंता करनी ही नहीं है. आपका एक एक डाउट क्लियर होगा. Your each and every doubt will be resolved on Unacademy Plus. आज जाओ रे बाबा, हर चौथी क्लास डाउट क्लियरिंग क्लास होती है. Other than that, you will be having the bi-weekly or weekly quizzes. You will be getting the detailed solutions of the quizzes. And remember one thing, once your syllabus is over, your revision is our responsibility. We will take care of your revision part. You will be having the crash courses. You will be having the rank improvement batches also. And those who are my Negi soldiers from the southern part of the country, they need not to worry about the language beta. You will be having the batches. You are from Andhra Pradesh, you are from Telangana, you are from Odisha, you are from Tamil Nadu, you are from Karnataka, you are from Kerala. You need not to worry. Your Negi sir is standing here. Yes, I am taking the classes from South Indian only. I am standing here. I will make sure you are getting the batches in English also. Need not to worry beta. Your Negi sir is here. Now, Negi soldiers who are financially well settled, Negi soldiers who are financially well settled, they will be joining the Unacademy Iconic. I'm I'm suggesting you, I'm advising you, you can join Unacademy Iconic using the same referral code NEGI10. The moment you are joining Unacademy Iconic, whatever the features are there on Unacademy Plus, you will be getting those features. Other than those, you will be getting few extra features also. Beta, you are going to get the PC. Sir, what is this PC? This PC is personal coach, beta. This personal coach is going to give you one-to-one guidance right from the beginning till the end, right from the preparation strategy till the interview guidance. Yes, you'll be getting the interview guidance from this PC only. Now listen carefully. This PC is going to make sure you are getting the customized study planner. आपको कस्टमाइज स्टडी प्लानर मिलने वाला है. दिस पीसी विल बी डूइंग द एनालिसिस ऑफ वेयर योर वीकली क्विजेस एंड यू विल बी गेटिंग the corrective measures which you should take in order to improve your performance in the quizzes. You will be getting ready for the D-Day. At the same time, you will be getting the study booster session from the Unacademy, like how to enhance the skills of learning, how to enhance the skills of writing the quizzes. All these things you will be getting in study booster sessions. And the most important thing, beta, second thing which you are going to get is preparatory study material, beta. You will be getting the theory books, you will be getting the problem books also. Now listen carefully. This is the fee structure. The moment NEGI soldiers are planning to join, Unacademy Plus using the referral code NEGI10, yes, every NEGI soldier is having their own referral code NEGI10. जैसी वो NEGI10 लगाते हैं, their subscription fee will be reduced. For 12 months it will be reduced to 27,225 rupees. For 18 months it will be reduced to 34,650 rupees. For 24 months it will be reduced to 39,600 rupees. And the best part is you can pay this whole amount in no cost EMI also. Sir, what is the meaning of no cost EMI? I will be telling you, beta. Suppose NEGI soldiers is planning to join for 24 months. What is the subscription fee for 24 months after applying the NEGI10 referral code? 39,600 rupees divided by number of months, 24 months. Beta, it will be coming 1650 rupees per month. That's it. Literally 55 rupees per month. That's it. You per day. That's it. You need not to pay beyond this. There is no hidden cost, there is no interest, just 1650 rupees you need to pay per month and you will be getting the subscription for 24 months. Are you getting what I am saying? Sir, how can I pay in no cost EMI? But if you are having the credit card of any bank, if you are having the credit card of any bank, if you are having the debit card of HDFC Bank, if you are having Bajaj FinServ card, then you can pay in no cost EMI, no problem, beta. These are the things: credit card of any bank, debit card of HDFC Bank, Bajaj FinServ card, you can pay in no cost EMI. This is the fee structure of Unacademy Iconic. Apply referral code NEGI10 and you will be getting the maximum discount for Unacademy Iconic. Don't worry, beta, I am going to mentor you personally, I am going to nurture you personally. जैसे ही आप NEGI10 लगाते हैं, you will be messaging me on Unacademy Learning App or my WhatsApp number saying that, sir, I have joined Unacademy Plus or Unacademy Iconic using the referral code NEGI10. After that, you will be my responsibility. I will be your single point contact on Unacademy. The moment, now you can ask me, sir, why to use NEGI10? Because NEGI10 is not just a code, it's an emotion which is connecting me to you people, me and my team to you people, NEGI sir to NEGI soldier, Jhamajam classes to Jhamajam learning. Are you getting to Bolo Re Baba? Bolo Re Baba. Yes. Now, the moment you are using NEGI10, you are using the referral code of Mechanical Head Unacademy brands. You are using the referral code of GATE All India Rank 1 2019-20 Engineering Census paper. You are using the referral code of All India Rank 1 Banknote Paper Mill. You are using the referral code of Topper MTech IIT Bombay. You are using the referral code of an educator who is teaching for GATE and ESC since 8+ years. You are using the referral code of an educator who is trusted by number of other students on Unacademy Plus. And that is the reason why I am trending right now on Unacademy Plus, ranked 3rd mechanical educator in last 8 months. This is my team to whom I am leading on Unacademy, GATE MEPIX YouTube channel. ME plus XE matlab NEGI10. Thank you so much. Anyone having any doubt, beta? किसी को कोई doubt है तो पूछ लीजिए अभी. If anyone is having any doubt, feel free to ask. If anyone is having any doubt, feel free to ask. किसी को भी कोई भी doubt है तो पूछ लीजिए बेटा. बेटा ये मैं संकित मैं करवाऊंगा, हर प्रोसेस में हो सकता है, उससे कोई मतलब नहीं है बेटा, उससे अभी आपको कोई मतलब नहीं है। आइसोकोरिक में भी हो सकता है, आइसोबारिक में भी हो सकता है, किसी में भी हो सकता है, नीड नॉट टू वरी। आइसोकोरिक प्रोसेस आई एम हैविंग द रिजिड कंटेनर, द कंटेनर इज मूविंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस एंड लेट्स सपोज ड्यूरिंग दैट द वेलोसिटी इज चेंजिंग, उसमें भी हो सकता है। ठीक है, क्लियर? एवरीवन इज क्लियर टिल हियर? ठीक है, आइसोकोरिक इज डिफरेंट, चेंज इन काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज डिफरेंट बेटा, दोनों का कोई रिलेशन नहीं है, कोई भी रिलेशन नहीं है। चलो, एनीवन एल्स इज हैविंग एनी डाउट? एनीवन एल्स इज हैविंग एनी डाउट? संकेत हार्ट का सिंबल बना देंगे बेटा, हार्ट का सिंबल बना दो अगर समझ में आ गया तो। बेटा डीपी बाई डीएक्स निकाल लो, डीपी बाई डीएक्स निकाल लो, आपको पता चल जाएगा ना रेक्टेंगुलर हाइपरबोला कैसा बनता है। रेक्टेंगुलर हाइपरबोला बना लो, डीपी बाई डीएक्स निकाल लो, आपको पता चल जाएगा, है ना? देख लो, you need to check when we are having the expansion what is happening to the volume, what is happening to the pressure, then you will be able to see what is happening to the slope। तो वहां से आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा बेटा, है ना? You will be able to understand from there। केतन सर एक्सी के थर्मोडायनामिक साइकिल्स का फ्री स्पेशल क्लास बेटा ऑलरेडी आई हैव कंप्लीटेड। केतन आप एक काम करो बेटा, मैं आज लिंक डाल दूंगा, ऑलरेडी आईसी इंजन साइकिल, गैस पावर साइकिल, ब्रेटन साइकिल पूरा मैंने पढ़ाया हुआ है बेटा, वेपर पावर साइकिल, रैंकाइन साइकिल सब पढ़ाया हुआ है, एक बार आप जाके देख लेना। सर प्लीज गिव अस द लिंक ऑफ थर्मोलिंक। बेटा मोहम्मद अमान आप एक काम करो, इसको ले लो, tinyurl.com/negi10 कोड। इसको टाइप कर देना बेटा एड्रेस बार में, यहीं पर है थर्मो, पूरा थर्मो यहीं पर ही है, इसी के अंदर एक थर्मो का फोल्डर होगा, वहां पे आपको मिल जाएगा बेटा, यू विल बी गेटिंग देयर। यस यस, अप्लाइड थर्मोडायनामिक्स आई टॉट बेटा, देखो इसके अंदर मिल जाएगा, इसके अंदर आपको सब मिल जाएगा। जो लोग साइकिल्स के लिए पूछ रहे हैं, सब साइकिल्स यहां पर है बेटा। जो लोग थर्मो के लिए पूछ रहे हैं, पूरा थर्मो अभी तक मैंने जितना पढ़ा है सब यहां पर है बेटा। एवरीथिंग इज हियर ओनली बेटा, एवरीथिंग इज हियर ओनली। इस पर एरर कैसे आ जाएगा बेटा? इस पर एरर नहीं आएगा, काफी लोगों ने देखा हुआ है, ध्यान से टाइप करो। मैं बना दूंगा चिराग, आई विल मेक वन वीडियो ऑन दैट, ओके? ठीक है, ये देखो लिंक मिल गया बेटा, tinyurl.com negi10 कोड। अमान ये लिंक मिल गया बेटा, लिंक को कॉपी कर लो, इसी लिंक में सारी क्लासेस है बेटा। इन दिस लिंक यू विल बी हैविंग ऑल द क्लासेस, ओके? राकेश रेड्डी सिंह स्टार्ट क्लास। बेटा आप तो क्लास तो स्टार्ट करूंगा नेक्स्ट डे, आई विल स्टार्ट नेक्स्ट डे बेटा। राकेश रेड्डी आई विल स्टार्ट नेक्स्ट डे। आज की क्लास तो हो गई, टुडे क्लास इज ओवर। I'm sorry beta to inform you, today's class is over. This is the last thank you slide where I'm interacting with the students. If they are having any doubt they can ask. Okay, thank you so much Rakesh, thank you so much beta, I really appreciate। no problem beta, no problem राकेश, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर लव बेटा। बोलो रे बाबा, कुछ और डाउट है क्या? K इज इक्वल टू 0 इज नॉट क्लियर फॉर आइसोथर्मल। बेटा विकास K इज इक्वल टू 1, K इज इक्वल टू 1 फॉर आइसोथर्मल बेटा, K इज 1 फॉर आइसोथर्मल। विकास K इज 0 फॉर आइसोबारिक, आइसोबारिक के लिए 0 होता है बेटा। Dinesh, most of the things are there in tinyurl. I have tried my best that we are arranging, you know, every day we are investing 15 to 20 minutes to make sure you are getting tinyurl in proper way. okay, and I will be updating the PDFs of the class immediately after the end of the class. ठीक है, बोलो बेटा. FM is complete in detail. Yes, if you want to join an Academy Plus, then I am discussing Fluid Mechanics 2.0, FM 2.0. थैंक यू सो मच बेटा विकास, थैंक यू सो मच. चलो फिर चले, टाटा बाय बाय कर दें. टाटा बाय बाय कर दे बेटा. राकेश रेड्डी, आई हैव टॉट ना, वंस यू गो थ्रू माय फ्री स्पेशल क्लासेस ऑन मॉइस्ट एयर, आई हैव डिस्कस बेटा, वहां मिल जाएंगे बेटा. संकेत वो किसी भी प्रोसेस में हो सकती है ना. अरे बाबा, एन कैन बी एनीथिंग ना बेटा, एन तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. वहां पर मैंने बार बार लिखा ना, एन इज बिटवीन 1 एंड गामा. So whatever the diagram I have drawn, that was for polytropic process where n is between 1 and gamma. n can be more than gamma also ना, तो वहां पर polytropic आ जाएगा. बात समझ रहे हो? I hope you are able to understand what I am saying. Whatever the diagram I have drawn, that diagram I have drawn basically for the polytropic process where polytropic index is lying in between 1 and gamma. It can be anywhere beta. ठीक है, यदीप कर दो, इन फ्री टाइम आई विल सी. ठीक है, आई होप एवरीवन इज क्लियर. चलो फिर टाटा बाय बाय. देर आर ओनली फ्यू क्लास PYQs ऑफ FM. बेटा पूरी क्लासें हैं बेटा. विकास, आई हैव डिस्कस्ड ईच एंड एवरी मैकेनिकल, सिविल, केमिकल एंड XC PYQ. एक बार चेक करो, इन द कंप्लीट लेक्चर्स आई एम हैविंग द PYQs. मुझे टोटल 160 सीरीज है ना क्वेश्चंस की, वहां पे बीच बीच में PYQs हैं. वंस यू चेक. सर क्लास का टाइम इंक्रीज करिए. बेटा देखो, ये सब आपके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है. अगर आप देखोगे, लाइव आओगे, फॉरवर्ड करोगे, डेफिनेटली आई विल टेक इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन यू. अगर आप लोग लाइक करेंगे क्लासेस को तो मैं कर दूंगा टाइम इंक्रीज. ठीक है, चलो देन बाय, लव यू ऑल, टेक केयर. थैंक यू सो मच बेटा, थैंक यू सो मच.